Samsung has officially unveiled their biggest breakthrough of the year, the Galaxy Z Fold 7 and Z Flip 7. The Z Fold 7 will be the thinnest, lightest, and most durable fold phone ever, thanks to the new titanium hinge that extends the life of a fold phone. It will also include Samsung's greatest ultra camera, which goes one step beyond the Galaxy S25 Ultra. The official marketing materials for the Galaxy Z Fold 7 demonstrate the Fold 7's thinness in real life, with sharp corners contributing to the field's premiumness. The official name confirmation is Galaxy Z Fold 7, together with the Galaxy AI, which goes beyond what you can currently envision. Samsung has also announced that the Fold 7 will have a new Galaxy AI photo engine, which will push the image sensor to its boundaries for better image and video performance. The Galaxy Z Fold 7 and Flip 7 are believed to be the first devices to receive One UI 8 based on Android 16, marking a significant improvement. Although there is no significant battery increase on these foldable devices, Samsung is rumored to include a genetic battery AI optimization with One UI 8, which could boost battery life compared to the previous generation, in addition to the efficiency benefits of the Snapdragon 8 Elite CPU. Samsung will also unveil its all-new Galaxy Watch 8 collection, which includes the Galaxy Watch 8 Classic, Galaxy Watch 8, and Galaxy Watch Ultra 2025. The original model includes a somewhat thicker bezel, in addition to the rotating bezel. Finally, Samsung could reveal the first glimpse at their trifold Galaxy phone, which has been in development for years and is rumored to be presented at the Fold 7 Unpacked event. The Galaxy Z Fold 7's official teaser image proves that it is indeed that thin in real life, and it looks utterly ridiculous. While not the thinnest foldable phone on the market, it is getting near to the point where the difference will be inconsequential in real life. It's wonderful to see Samsung's best ultra camera combined with the new Galaxy AI photo engine. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.